guys, so I would have never thought that I was even brave enough to come on here like that. Like maybe I've came on camera a little bit worse than this before, but I didn't think I was this brave. But listen, here I am showing you the wig, so hopefully you appreciate it and don't thumbs down this video just, you know, by looking at first impression. I mean, yeah, I know first impression ain't looking that great, but still, okay, give me a thumbs up for the courage for even coming on camera looking like this. Anyway guys, this is one of the Bobbi Boss Lace wigs. It's a wet and wavy style, and is it a human hair? I didn't even check to see. Oh yeah, it's unprocessed 100% human hair. Why does the human hair have to look like this? Like every time we get a human hair wig, it's always like they didn't take any time at all. They didn't put any effort, they didn't put any like volume or anything on the wig, and they just give it to you like whatever, you know, and they charge you a lot for the human hair wigs. I really don't like that. But anyway, she's called MH1303 ELYNN, sorry. Okay, I have it in the color natural, so this is the color that you can bleach and dye and stuff like that, perm and all that good stuff. It comes in some other special colors, and it comes in natural black and natural brown. So I guess a natural and a natural brown you could bleach and dye. Anyway, this is what the stock card looks like right here. And on the stock card you can see they show you where it's like straight, and they show you it wet. Okay, so when it wets it gets curly, but I'm pretty sure that they dried it afterwards, you know what I mean? But I didn't dry mine afterwards. Like this is it wet. Like I left it to air dry for like a little bit, but not that long, probably like an hour. I let it air dry, but it's still pretty damp, and I don't even think if I were to blow dry it will get as full as this, because you guys, I'll show you how it looked straight out of the box. Well, straight, okay, when I got it I put it on and it wasn't looking too right. And I think one of the reasons is because first of all the cap is too small. There's absolutely no combs in the wig, okay, no combs whatsoever. Usually I like that because I hate combs, but with this one, because the cap is so small, I needed the combs just to keep everything staying in place. I think it would just feel a little bit more secure with the combs, but there's no combs in the wig, so you would have to add some if you want to, or add some hairpins or hair clips or something like that. It comes with the adjustable straps at the back though, so you could adjust it to fit your head size. The cap is a stretchable mesh net material cap. Now it stretches, but not that much, so I wouldn't really say it's big head friendly. I would say it's between small to medium cap size. But guys, look at the volume. I mean, it's giving me somewhat of a thick volume, but because of the length and everything, it's just not doing it for me. And this is the way it's cut. Like it's actually separated right here. That's why I have that little parting area right there. But this is it, you guys. Like, let me know what you think about this. Are you interested in this? I'm definitely not interested in this, and that's just my opinion. But let me know what you guys think down below. Are you interested in this? Looking at the stock card, I would definitely see this and say, okay, let me buy this. I'll wet it, you know, it will look like a natural little like curly hair, like it's my hair. But after putting it on, I'm not really seeing that same look that's on the stock card. So yeah, I'm a little bit disappointed in that. However, there may be someone out there who is interested in this look, so check the description box down below. The link will be there for you guys to go purchase. And let me know your thoughts in the comment section down there. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.